Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix HBO Max app black screen problem. So if you're also having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Actually, me myself, I had this issue also, and this is how I fixed it myself. So basically what I did was that I firstly closed my app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, I just scroll down in here and I click where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. In here, I just scrolled down and I clicked on storage in here. And we're just going to wait for this one to load right here, as you can see. So just wait for it to load. It's probably going to take you a couple of seconds for this page to completely load, but it doesn't really matter. Just wait a couple of more seconds in here, and then we're going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. It's going to turn blue when everything is done. So as you can see, we can now click on the search symbol. We can search for search for Max in here. So search for Max and click on it. Then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Then you're going to click on the blue button here once again, and then just wait for your HBO Max app to completely update to the latest version. So I did this myself, and when it was done, I just went back into the app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.